Welcome to our video series on maintenance and its importance in our everyday lives. I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. In today's video, we're going to uncover the often overlooked role of maintenance in school safety. We'll dig deeper into the daily operations of a maintenance team, bringing to light the crucial tasks that keep our schools secure and functioning smoothly. From routine checks to planned maintenance, prepare to gain a newfound appreciation for these unsung heroes. Let's delve into how maintenance supports school safety. It's not just about providing a clean and organized facility for students and teachers, but it's also about working in the background to prevent overt situations and taking care of larger issues that the school may be facing. Let's take a closer look at the daily job of keeping schools safe for everyone. First, let's talk about routine maintenance. It's so much more than just mopping up the floors every day. Routine maintenance includes any work that happens on a regular schedule. These inspections and checks occur daily, weekly, monthly, and yearly, creating an invisible safety net for every person that works at and attends the school. Routine maintenance isn't just about spotting wet spills on the floor or an inoperative fire alarm. It's about noticing unfamiliar packages, odd locker arrangements, structural damage to walls, and more. These may all be more noticeable to a regular maintenance team than to the students, teachers, or administrative staff. While most people don't think about the work and time that goes into keeping their schools safe, healthy, and happy, routine maintenance is the unsung hero behind a major part of overall school safety. Now, let's move on to planned maintenance. This is the process of deciding how to allocate resources to the school's needs. When done properly, planned maintenance prevents expensive accidents and provides for timely and needed updates to the school's infrastructure. It can even cut down on overall expenses by reducing or eliminating the need for many last-minute or emergency repairs. Remember, your school's maintenance staff knows your school's building and grounds better than most employees or students. It's important to empower them to care for your community. So, what's the bottom line? Maintenance supports school safety on the most simple level, by preventing and fixing small threats to the people inside of the buildings and facilities. While this isn't as flashy or as obvious as other ways of keeping schools safe, it's an integral part of every student and teacher's day-to-day life. So, next time you see your school's maintenance staff, give them a nod of appreciation for their hard work in keeping your school safe. Thank you for watching this video. We've explored the crucial role of routine and planned maintenance in ensuring school safety. We hope you've gained a newfound appreciation for the unsung heroes of our schools, the maintenance teams. If you found this information valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For further resources and to learn more about how Upkeep can help your maintenance and operations teams, please visit upkeep.com. Remember, your school's safety is in good hands with a dedicated maintenance team.